Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the robot vacuum and mop combo. A powerful home cleaning solution that combines 2200 PA strong suction with the convenience of self-charging and smart mapping technology. This versatile device offers multiple cleaning modes and can be controlled effortlessly via the Tuya Smart app, remote control, or even Alexa voice commands, making it a breeze to schedule and direct your cleaning tasks. Designed with a 2600 mAh battery, it can clean for up to 120 minutes in a 1290 square foot area, automatically returning to its charging base when needed, while boundary strips allow you to set no-go zones for more efficient cleaning. The intelligent mapping and navigation system, equipped with infrared sensors, ensures a comprehensive mapping of your home, allowing the robot to navigate around furniture and obstacles while avoiding falls from stairs. Pet owners will appreciate the no-hair entanglement design and HEPA filtration system, which effectively captures dust, allergens, and microparticles, making it ideal for households with pets. With its ability to switch between vacuuming and mopping, this all-in-one device is perfect for tackling stubborn stains on hard floors, offering 3 levels of adjustable suction strength to meet your cleaning needs.